everyone, I'm so excited about today's tutorial because it's so interesting. We are going to learn how to use Vlookup in Excel, and most people actually think that using Vlookup is complicated, but this tutorial will actually demonstrate to you that it is the simplest of all the functions. So what is Vlookup? Vlookup is a tool in Excel for looking up a piece of information in a table or data set and extracting some corresponding data or information. The short form of VLOOKUP is vertical lookup, and it searches down the first column, okay, and then moves to the right to look up for the information that you want. So let's get started. So before we start, I'd like to bring you up to speed with what I have. I have this data's aging report for August 2023, and I want to fill in the account managers in this particular column, but I don't want to type one by one. I want to refer to a previous report that I had done in July 2023 to actually save time and make my work easier. So as you can see on the left side, I have the data's aging report for July 2023 and the account managers here. So we shall fill this information in this particular column. So to begin, what you need to do is to type equal sign on your keyboard, then type VLOOKUP. Okay, once the formula pops up, just double click on it, and then VLOOKUP has 4 arguments, that is the lookup value, the table array, the column index number, and the range lookup. So I'll explain to you one by one as we progress with the tutorial. So the first argument is the lookup value, and in this argument you tell the function what you want to look up for. So we want to look up for this customer. Okay, so let's click this cell and then put a comma. And then the second argument is the table array, and here you tell the function where you want to look up for the information. So you want to look up for the information in this report of July. Okay, so let's select it and then put a comma. Then the third argument is the column index number. Okay, the column index number, and here you tell the function where you want to extract the information from. So we want to extract the information from the second column, from the data set we have selected, because this is the first column, okay, and this is the second column. So we want to extract information from column number 2. So type 2 and then put a comma, and then the third argument is the range lookup. Okay, and here you tell the function whether you're looking for an exact match or approximate match. Okay, so you want to look for an exact match. Okay, so false represents an exact match. So let's double click on it, and then once you're done, close the brackets. Also remember, if you want to for this particular function, we need to look up the cell reference. Okay, so we will use a $sign to look up the cell references, and this is like giving the formula absolute cell reference, whereby no matter which cell the formula occupies, the cell reference does not change. So we shall put a $sign between between A and 2. Okay, for the data range we have selected. So put a $sign there, and then we shall come here, or in other words here, put a $sign before G for the range we have selected, and then put another $sign between G and 18 to lock the cells. So once you're done, press enter, and there you go. So you can see the account manager of Zuri Limited is Peter, and if we refer from this data, you can see Zuri Limited Peter. So let's autofill the rest of the cells by putting our cursor here on the lower right edge and then double click to autofill. So if we cross check another one, Toll Autos Jordan Company Limited, the account manager is Simon. So let's take here Jordan Company Limited. You can see we have the exact account manager. So To avoid the formula appearing in the new table or in the new data, we shall just copy, okay, and paste as values. Paste here, okay. So you can see now there no formulas are popping up, okay. So that's how you use VLOOKUP. So I'll show you more ways on how you can use VLOOKUP. I hope you found this tutorial interesting as I did. If you found this helpful, kindly leave a comment down below, subscribe to our channel, like, and see you in our next tutorial. Bye.